Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, world. Good morning, people. Good morning to all. Ito, kakakemo ko na naman kahapon. Alhamdulillah, success naman yung kemo ko. Although may kahirapan sa gitna ng pag-inject ng medication ko, but I always have faith to Allah, pray, dua, lalo na pag nagdi-delete na aking memory. Nafe-feel ko kasi sinasabi na ini-inform ako ng nurse na ganun ang mangyayari. Then that's the start na getting ready to speak to Allah. But then in an hour's rest, nagkakalma ako. Then yes, it's true, bumabalik naman din because due to the side effects of the medication. To this morning, ito I'm relaxing. I'm still on my upright bed. And I had done my Fajr, but I have something to go later to fix some government assistance for my MRI. Whoever listened to this record, my video, please share. Please share nyo naman mga kapatiran ko para lalakad ako, ipaprocess ko yung MRR and some financial assistance kasi ikikemo na naman ako sa 19. Every chemo ko, gumagastos ako. Process, honestly, pinakamalit na yung 3,000. Pamasahe yung taxi ko ba, vice versa, and aking pagkain twice in a day sa SPMC, and of course, choose ko yung healthy foods for me to take. And sino ang hindi kakapusin yan? Wala na po akong trabaho. Hirap na po ako. I hope someone can volunteer, makabigay man lang kahit